Friends, welcome to my channel VENUSTECHPULSE. It is the second video on iterative construct, and today I will explain various examples on iterative construct. We have already done the for loop. We have already completed the for loop. If you are not seen my videos, please go to the playlist of Python language. You will get the video on for loop, iterative construct, that is on for loop. And now today I am going to describe about various loop, that is also for loop, and after that for loop while nested loop will be there, nested loop using for. So I am going to start my video. So the first program is we have to print the sum of number present inside the list. First we have to create list. How? List eval input, enter the list. Sum is equal to 0 for x in a list. That means we are creating a list using for. Sum is equal to sum plus x. Suppose whatever the number x will be, it will be considered as the least element. Sum is equal to sum plus x. Print the sum. That means sum plus x by 0 plus, suppose 1, 0, 1, 1. Then the number is 2. 1 plus 2, that is 3. And it will go on. It will continue till the number are there. So the entire list is 10, 20, 30 and 40. The sum is 100. So 0 plus 10, 10, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 40, 100. Then our next enter a list. Same program, we are giving a different we are creating a different list, 45 and 67. It is a list of two elements, 1 and 2, 45 and 67. After adding, we are getting 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. That means 0 plus 45, 45, 45 plus 67, that will be 1, 1, 2. Now, we are coming to while loop. What is while loop? If we want to execute a group of statement iteratively until some condition false, then we should go for while loop. Syntax while condition body, syntax while condition body. We have to print numbers from 1 to 10 by using while loop. Here we are studying x is equal to 1, while x less than equal to 10, print x is equal to 1. So if the x is 1, now see the description that x is 1. So 1 is less than equal to 10. Yes, 1 is printed. 1 will be incremented to 1 plus 1, 2. Here 2 less than equal to 10. 2 will be printed. 2 plus 3, and this will go on up to 10. 10 is equal to 10. That will be printed also. But when 10 is after printing 10 will be incremented to 11, which is greater than 10. So 1 to 10 is printed, 11 will not be printed because 11 is greater than 10. 11 is greater than 10. Now we are coming to the another program. We have to display the sum of first n numbers. N is equal to int input, enter the number. Sum is equal to 0. I is equal to 1. While I less than equal to n. N means the number we have taken as input. Then sum is equal to sum plus I. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3. That will go on. Print the sum of first n. N means the number that we have taken. Number is sum, is the number of the sum is 0 plus 1, 1. Suppose we have taken 2, so 2 plus 1, it will continue up to the n numbers that we have taken as input. Okay. Now our next part is infinite loop. Infinite loop. I is equal to 0, while true I is equal to I plus 1, print hello I. It will continue forever because it is infinite loop. I have not given its ending, how many times it will be it will run or it will continue. So this is a program on infinite loop. Next we are coming to nested loop. Sometimes we can take a loop inside another loop, which are also known as nested loop. Here is the example of nested loop I have given to you. For I is equal I in range 4, that means I will start from 1 to 4. For j in range 4, that j is also a variable which will continue to 1 to 4, and print I and j, that will be printed. What will be the answer? The first answer is I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, I is equal to 0, j is equal to 2, I is equal to 0, j is equal to 3. Then we are coming to I is equal to 1, j is equal to 0, I1, j1, I1, I2, and the last number will be I3, j3. This will goes on like this. Okay, so for today our last program is web to display right angle triangle using asterisk symbols, where we have taken int input. We are taking input as int variable, we are taking input as integer, we are taking input integer variable, inputting integer variable, enter number of rows. For I in range I comma n plus 1, that means the number is double. We have taken 5 plus 1 6, that I will I loop will run from 1 to 5. Then for j is equal to range I comma I plus 1, that means 1 plus 1 2, first 1 plus 1 2, I means the row section, and print asterisk, and last print the blank section. Okay, the blank means in the first row I have printed 1, then in the second row 2, third row 3, fourth row 4 asterisks, 5 in the fifth row 5 asterisks. Okay, and then the sixth row I have taken also, and the sixth row it will be 6. If we have taken 6, then it will be 6. So this is the example on for loop. Today I have completed the iterative statement, and there is a transfer statement is remaining, which will be coming on our next video. For today I am saying goodbye to you. Before goodbye, I will say that please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and also comment in my channel, that I can also give you the more and more videos on Python, Java, C, and various other languages. Thank you friends. Thank you.